Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to cover the topic adjective and adverb, definition and some exercise based on that. Also, this is from the NIOS Senior Secondary Course English lesson, where this is the last topic and it is about adjectives and adverb. And we are taking the exercise questions from the text itself. So let's start. If you are new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a like if you enjoy the content, and share it with your friends and family. Also, share your feedback in the comment box. Let's start. What is an adjective? So an adjective, it is a word that describes or modifies a noun. So what usually it does is adjective, it tells something about a noun or a pronoun. Okay, providing more information about its qualities, appearance, quantity, and condition. Okay, so these are the things that an adjective tells about a noun. For example, we can see here a tall building. So building, it is the noun, where tall is the adjective. Okay. Next one is she has a kind heart. So heart is a noun, and what is the specialty of this heart? It is kind. It says the quality of your heart, of the girl's heart. Next, there are three apples. So it is the noun here, it is apples, and if you say or see here, this is the quantity of your apple. That means 3 apples are there. Okay, so these are the adjectives used in the given sentences. And what it does, adjectives help you to make language more vivid by specifying the characteristic of the things we talk about. So it makes the language beautiful by using these kind of adjectives. We have a number of adjectives to use. Now let's see what an adverb is. Okay, so adverb, it is a word that modifies or describes a verb. Okay, adjective or another adverb. So these are the things we have to keep in mind. Adverb modifies a verb, adjective or any other adverb. Okay, so it provides more information about these things, about how, when, where, why, or to what extent something happens. For example, she sings beautifully. So you can see here, this beautifully is this is the adverb that is being used. And what is the verb in this case? It is sings. So whatever verb is done, it is done beautiful. It is she sings beautifully. So in this case, this is the adverb. The meaning of adverb is something that modifies your verb. So sing is the verb which is being modified by beautifully. Next one is he is very tall. So tall is the adjective that is being used here. So tall is the adjective. So what modifies the definition of your adjective? That is very. So in this case, this very is the adverb. Next one is they arrived quite early. So they arrived early. So this is an adverb, and the adverb quite, that means in this case early is an adverb where it is being modified by the word quite. Okay, so this is how we are going to use the adverb, where adverb, adjective or any other adverb is being modified. Now usually it ends with ly, like beautifully, quickly, okay, silently, like that, but not always. But that is not a rule. Mostly it ends. Okay, these also can be your adverbs. Now let's go to the exercise questions. These exercises are taken from the text of NIOS Senior Secondary Course Lesson 9, My Son Will Not Be a Beggar. From that lesson we have taken out this portion, and this is the last topic in the lesson. So let's start and read this one. Mamata tried to learn to draw, but her progress was. So here some words are given and you have to find out the correct adjective to fill in the blanks. Now let's see, her progress Was warm? No. Brightest, full, slow, prompt, blind, medical, loud, right, superior. So I don't think any of them matches other than slow. So in this case, you can substitute here slow. Next one is blank medical attention after an accident saves life. So what kind of medical attention saves life? It means something which is done fast. Okay. So warm, brightest, full doesn't match. Prompt, blind, medical, loud, right, superior. So this prompt is the exact word here. It is prompt. If you are not sure of the word, just go to the other options and then when something is left out, try to fill it out there. Next one is the ring of the doorbell was very, how it will be, the sound may be very loud. So this loud matches here. So we have used these three. Alka wants to go to blank college. What kind of college she wants to go? She wants to go to a medical college. Okay, so this option is also taken out. The blank boy enjoyed the feel of the winter sun. So which boy? The boy's adjective is being used by the word blind. Okay, so it can be blind. Next one is the blank weather will make us feel more cheerful. So what kind of weather will make us cheerful? The nice weather, the brightest weather? No. So this warm will be the correct usage of the adjective here. Next one is there was a blank moon last night. What kind of moon? Full moon. Okay, so full. Next one is Mohit fell off his cycle and hurt his blank hand. Which hand? So it can be two hands, right or left. Also, you have an option of right here. So substitute that. Now let's check the ninth question. Mandeep was the blank boy to be taken in the under 19 team. So he was taken for the under 19 cricket team. So what kind of boy he is? Superior boy or brightest boy? So he may be the brightest boy. Okay, fill it with that option. Next one, superior officer was kind and sympathetic. So what kind of officer? Superior officer. That is the option left out also. So superior officer was a kind and sympathetic person. So these are the qualities of any of the noun which is being used next to your adjective. Okay, so I've talked about, here we are talking about weather, here we are talking about the boy, here college, the ring of the doorbell. Okay, so hope this is clear to you. Let's move on to the next exercise. So this we have to fill it with adverb. So already we have learned what an adverb is. So here make an adverb with the underlined word in each of the sentence and use it to fill in the blanks. So already these words, adverb form you have to write. So he was very gentle. It is V-E-R-Y. Amit gently picked up the injured puppy. It was a very peaceful morning. So shoot it here. The crowd became a bit restless, but when the chief speaker came and spoke to them, they settled down peacefully. Next one is Ved was happy when his father stopped his mother from using the painful medicines on him. The old man climbed painfully up the steps. Dr. Singh was a very firm person. The teacher spoke very firmly to the rowdy boys. So this is how we have to use the adverb, and these are the adverbs that are mostly used. Next word is steady. Here he walked steadily. Okay, the word is steadily. Uphill for 5 minutes. He walked steadily uphill for 5 minutes. Now what you have to do in the second exercise is filling the blanks in the sentence below with appropriate adverb from the box. You can see here Rahul walked blank up the hill to his house. Okay. So different adverbs are given here. You have to substitute the right one here in the blank. So suddenly may or may not be, because it's a hill and you cannot walk so fast. So it can be slowly. Walked slowly up the hill to his house. It was a dark and rainy night, and he wanted to get back so that he could have a hot bath and change into dry clothes. He thought blank of the tasty dinner his mother would have cooked for him. He thought hungrily. Okay, why hungrily? Because he's thinking of the food. So that is a word that matches best. Hungrily of the tasty dinner his mother would have cooked for him. But just then he twisted his ankle and fell on the roadside. Oh dear, I can't walk, he thought. How he thought? Since he fell down, he may be getting a kind of pain. Okay, so it is painfully. He thought painfully. Now I won't get my hot bath and my good dinner. Blank, a car stopped. How a car stopped? Luckily, because why? Because that's why somebody came and they would stop and find him. Okay, so that was the relief. Then it was his neighbor. Hurt yourself, Rahul? He asked. Never mind, I will take you home. Blank Rahul got into the car. Okay, so how he got into the car? Happily. Because now he is happy that he can get to his home. So like that we have used the adverbs from the list to fill this blanks and complete the paragraph. Hope this was understandable. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a like. Type your comments in the comment box and share this with your friends. Also subscribe to the channel so that you get the notification of other videos on time. Thank you for watching.